Masarang Mountain, North Sulawesi, Indonesia. Just 2 decades ago it was barren, dry, deforested. But today a thriving rainforest once again grazes its slopes. Dry springs now bubble with water again, and wildlife has returned to reclaim the restored habitats. Central to this miraculous recovery is the Arenga sugar palm, which can not only grow well on deforested land, but crucially will only grow well if planted alongside a wide variety of other plant species. Since discovering this about the Arenga palm, Dr. Willie Smits and his environmental foundation Masarang have used it to restore vast swathes of rainforest across Indonesia.
Well, when I got married here, like 43 years ago, the dowry was supposed to be paid in the form of 6 sugar palms. And it turned out that 6 sugar palms was enough to help a young family get a start in life. And that is what triggered my interest. And then on top of that, it produced a delicious palm juice, which was also very interesting and which I decided to study further. And then, of course, I came across all the benefits of the sugar palms that were not so popularly known. It produces more than 60 different products. It provides food security, building materials. It has everything. And it only grows well in a mixed forest.
And perhaps the most bankable of these products is Arenga palm sugar, which forms the basis of a commercial agroforestry initiative that finances Masarang's conservation efforts. Under Masarang's business model, local sugar tappers extract sap from Arenga palms and protect the forests within their agroforestry plots from poachers and illegal logging. In exchange, Masarang helps them obtain organic certification for their sugar and provides them with insurance and a pension, ultimately ensuring that they receive the bulk of the financial benefits and incentivizing them to protect and restore rainforests. The sap is then processed by heating in a specially constructed factory until it forms sugar, using waste heat from a nearby geothermal energy plant, thereby avoiding both carbon emissions and energy costs. And the financial benefits have been just as great.
The money that we pay to the farmers is far higher, so we have shown that there is an increase of on average 30,000 rupiah per day per farmer to 320,000 rupiah per day per farmer. This is 10 times higher and it's 3 times higher than the minimum regional income that is set by the government for companies to provide to their workers. Now these sugar palm tappers are the ones that have the best looking houses and are able to send their children to school. I even met one that had sent 3 of his children to America and to pursue MSCs abroad, all paid for only from 0.6 hectares of sugar palms.
Masarang's reforestation efforts have made a real difference to some of Indonesia's most degraded ecosystems. Now, we at Seneca Impact Advisors are looking to incubate it into a fully viable, self-sustaining business to help scale up its impact even further. Masarang's demonstrable real-world impacts on reforestation already make it a strong contender for impact grant funding. With ample experience in setting up funding structures for project incubation, Seneca can conduct feasibility studies, assess Masarang's business plan, and identify all possible revenue channels to ensure it can deliver on impact and business returns. With this information, we can then construct a strong grant proposal detailing how Masarang will refine its business plans to become more viable, in order to obtain grants and later investments. Beyond that, we can offer consulting services to help Masarang restructure its operations and run more efficiently. Eventually, we also hope to help finance it through our own incubation facility via loans, debt, equity, or angel investments.
The buying of the sugar is going to help more farmers getting income, more farmers not cutting down trees, more farmers protecting wildlife. It is really investing in people that can then pass on the know-how, that can demonstrate it in the field, so that what we are seeing is actually made visible in lots and lots of areas.